Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create a Capcom account. Open up the web browser. Here search cid.capcom.com. Click on Create a Capcom ID. Then tap on Create a Capcom ID. Hit the Sign Up button. Now enter the required information, select the country or region. Set your date of birth. Then press the Next button. Now enter your email and password. You have completed the first step of the Capcom ID registration process. A verification email has been sent to your email. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.